Hey, what's up, Facebook world? Gonna give y'all a market update for the trades that I gave y'all. I think that was Sunday. I think that was Sunday. It was GU, Bitcoin, and I think S&P 500. The stock market indices as a whole. All of them did exactly what I analyzed that it was gonna do. I don't like to say prediction, but it's what I've actually researched, did technical analysis on, and just watching macroeconomic news events and kind of just knowing what's going on. So, but first I'm gonna start with macros. So, historically, the month of August and September are the worst trading months for the stock market as a whole. As of recently, the USD job numbers, they forecast it was going to be 106K jobs being added, but the actual number was 73K. That was below expectations. Then in the month of July, the job number was at 147K, so that's a huge drop in jobs being added. As you know, in later years, jobs not really hiring people. You got the Christmas holiday, some jobs are laying people off. So we will see a dip in the stock market, but not just that. When you have a weak labor market, there's a slower economic growth, and then the environment where we got high interest rates right now, borrowing costs are more expensive, which in turn people are not going to want to borrow or invest. It's a potential for a recession. Also, it challenges policymakers. Jerome Powell, our Fed chair, Jerome Powell. As y'all know, he has kept interest rates the same. This past couple of months, him and Trump are going back and forth. They're saying Powell's going to cut rates in September. Inflation has been dropping, but also with a weak labor market too. So that a lot of that uncertainty, and heck, even if they do cut rates, I still don't see the stock market. Let's keep it real, y'all. I still don't see the stock market really just shooting out the roof. So I will be aware of that. So those who are trading stocks right now, just be aware. Just because they cut rates, don't roll the dice and go all in, and start buying a dip. Not only that, you got a lot of uncertainty with this Trump, with Zelensky. They had this meeting with Zelensky and Putin out here, but Zelensky saying that certain conditions has to be met for some type of peace deal to be made, which in turn, they got to give some land got to have to be given up. Let's keep it real. Ukraine, they out there fighting because they don't want to give them no land. And very good chance a lot of those soldiers lost a lot of lives is just say they're going to start giving up land. So let's keep it real. Like, I don't think no peace deal going to happen no time soon. That's just my opinion. So that being said, with that, weak labor market, interest rates still high, tariff talks, we don't know, that haven't even just, we are feeling the effects of the tariffs now, but they just kind of just started. So with all this uncertainty, you honestly think I'm gonna want to buy the dip right now? I wouldn't. I'd just be safe. So, but that's just on a macroeconomic fundamental side, y'all, that, why I would just be leery. But then to bag my claim even further, we'll go to some trades. We'll do technical analysis right now. I have a YouTube channel, y'all. Please subscribe to it at Flaming Profits. I'm going to repeat again, subscribe to my channel at Flaming Profits. I'm giving away free game. Please utilize it. But also, please do show support as well. So GBP, this the first. I'm going to go to GBP, USD, S&P 500, and Bitcoin. I told all of them was going to sell off, right? Let's go to GBP, USD. It did exactly what I said it was going to do. It sold. It consolidated right here. It broke it. Did a retest. Just about hit that same wick again, and guess what it's doing? It's still selling. So this trade is still good. GBP USD is still good. For intraday traders, you can ride it down on 1344239. You can ride it down there. So definitely GBP USD will still continue to sell. Also due to Trump and this macroeconomic with Zelensky and Putin, all them, definitely be looking for sales on that. Then you have S&P 500. S&P 500. Well, once again, they all selling off. So everything I'm saying, y'all, as you can see, is happening. It is happening, y'all. It's happening. This a 4-hour counter. Now, should you just jump in the sale right now? It's going to sell, but should you just jump in the sale right now because you see this red counter? No. I mean, this is the 4-hour chart I'm looking at right now. I like to trade out the 4 daily and weekly. You can let this counter close, right? It could close down here. Then the next counter could do a slight pullback, or leave some similar dojis, consolidated candles like these here, and just wait for a little slight pullback and then ride it back down. That's when patience got to kick in there, y'all. Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays are the good days to jump in these, to get in y'all positions. I like this consolidation right here. Yeah. So yeah, that's still selling, y'all. Let's go to Bitcoin. Crypto traders. What did I say, y'all? Look at this. Look at this. Y'all see it. Look. Pivot point. I gave y'all this trade Sunday. And it did exactly what I said. It broke. I didn't mark this up. I just pulled the screen up. It was already marked. This was from Sunday. Boom. I didn't even get in this trade. It was just a freebie for y'all. I didn't even get in this trade. But as y'all can see, the crypto space, and this is my support level right here. If it breaks this neckline right here, this is the pivot point right here that I'm looking at. If it breaks this neckline at let's say 112, yeah, we talking about next level here, next level there. So look at those key levels right there at 112, 112K. But definitely it's going to ride down to 112K. For you scalpers, day traders, definitely ride it down to 112. But with that, y'all, I'm out. Ethereum, this a freebie. This a freebie trade, y'all. This is a freebie trade. Like I say, subscribe to my channel at Flaming Profits on YouTube. Okay. Lower high. Lower high. Yep, it's going to do the same thing. It's a consolidated period right here. It's going to break this, y'all. It's already forming a bearish engulfing right here with a lower high being formed. It's the 4-hour. So I would ride this down to, you want to be conservative, you could ride it down to 3,900. Next level down here, these pivot points, 3,500 down there. So free trades, y'all. Free game, free market. With that, y'all, I will keep y'all posted on these same exact trades. I may go live again, say Sunday, kind of let the markets kind of play out. Then we'll go back and see, okay, well, it really played out the way we wanted to. So with that, y'all, have a blessed day. I'm out.